Many people dream of striking it rich with crypto. They envision a life of luxury, fast cars, and endless vacations. The allure of quick wealth is powerful and hard to resist. They chase quick profits, often making impulsive decisions. They fall for scams, get-rich-quick schemes, and promises of overnight success. This leads to stress, frustration, and often significant financial loss. Don't be like them. Building a strong crypto portfolio takes time, effort, and a lot of research. It's not about making a quick buck, but about creating a sustainable financial future. It takes patience. It starts with a solid plan. You need to understand the market, study trends, and make informed decisions. This isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. This is your guide to building that plan. We'll start small, with just $100. This initial investment is your first step towards financial independence. We'll focus on smart choices. We'll aim for long-term growth. This means diversifying your investments, understanding the risks, and staying informed about market changes. Forget the hype. Forget get-rich-quick schemes. These are distractions that can lead you astray. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Let's build something that lasts. This is about financial freedom. It's about creating a stable and secure future for yourself and your loved ones. It's about taking control of your money. It's about the future of finance. By making informed decisions and staying committed to your plan, you can achieve financial freedom. And it all starts with that first $100 investment. Are you ready? Let's begin this journey towards a secure financial future together. Think of your crypto portfolio like a house. Just as a house requires careful planning and construction, so does your investment strategy. You wouldn't rush into building a house without a blueprint, and similarly, you shouldn't dive into crypto without a plan. You don't build a house overnight. It takes time, patience, and a lot of effort. Each step is crucial, from laying the foundation to placing the final brick. The same goes for your crypto investments. You start with a solid foundation. In the world of crypto, this means understanding the basics, doing your research, and knowing what you're investing in. A strong foundation is key to a stable structure. Then you add bricks, one by one. Each brick represents a different asset or investment. You don't rush, you place each one carefully, ensuring it fits perfectly into your overall plan. In crypto, our bricks are different types of assets. We'll diversify. This means not putting all your money into one type of cryptocurrency, but spreading it across various options to balance potential risks and rewards. This means spreading our money across different assets. Diversification is a strategy that helps manage risk by allocating investments among various financial instruments, industries, and other categories. Why? Because it reduces risk. By not putting all your eggs in one basket, you protect yourself from significant losses if one investment doesn't perform well. Imagine putting all your money into one asset. If that asset fails, you could lose everything. It's a risky move that can lead to financial disaster. What if it crashes? You lose everything. This is why diversification is so important. It acts as a safety net, cushioning the blow if one of your investments takes a hit. By diversifying, we protect ourselves. We spread the risk and increase the chances of our portfolio performing well over time. We'll use a simple model, the 60/30/10 rule. This means allocating 60% of your investments to stable assets, 30% to growth assets, and 10% to speculative assets. This will be our blueprint. Just like a house blueprint guides the construction process, our investment plan will guide us in building a strong portfolio. It will guide us in building a strong, resilient portfolio. With careful planning and diversification, we can create a robust investment strategy that stands the test of time. The 60/30/10 rule is simple. It's easy to understand. It's powerful. Here's how it works. The rule divides your investment into 3 distinct categories, each with its own purpose and risk level. This strategy helps you balance stability, growth, and high-risk opportunities in your crypto portfolio. 60% stablecoins and long-term holds. This portion of your portfolio is dedicated to assets that provide a solid foundation. Stablecoins are pegged to traditional currencies, reducing volatility. Long-term holds are established cryptocurrencies that have proven their worth over time. This is the foundation of our house. Just like a house needs a strong base to stand tall, your portfolio needs stable assets to weather market fluctuations. We'll use Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. These are established cryptocurrencies. They offer stability. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, has a long history of value retention. Ethereum, with its smart contract capabilities, is a cornerstone of decentralized applications. Solana, known for its high-speed transactions, is gaining traction in the crypto space. They have long-term growth potential. Over the years, these cryptocurrencies have shown resilience and the ability to grow, making them reliable choices for the long haul. 30% growth coins. This segment is where we aim for higher returns. Growth coins are those with significant potential to increase in value. They might not be as stable as our foundational assets, but they offer the opportunity for substantial gains. This is where we aim for higher returns. By investing in growth coins, we tap into the potential of emerging technologies and innovative projects that could revolutionize the market. We'll invest in Layer 1 blockchains, DeFi projects, and AI tokens. Layer 1 blockchains are the backbone of the crypto ecosystem, providing the infrastructure for other projects. DeFi, or decentralized finance, aims to disrupt traditional financial systems. AI tokens represent the future of technology integration in the crypto space. These are riskier than our foundation. While they offer exciting opportunities, they also come with higher volatility and uncertainty, but they offer greater potential for profit. Asterisk 10% moonshots. This is our high-risk, high-reward play. Moonshots are speculative investments in new and unproven projects that could yield massive returns. This is our high-risk, high-reward play. By allocating a small portion of our portfolio to moonshots, we give ourselves the chance to benefit from groundbreaking innovations and market disruptors. We'll explore new and exciting projects. These could be anything from cutting-edge blockchain solutions to revolutionary tech startups. These could explode in value. If we choose wisely, these investments could provide exponential returns, transforming our portfolio, or they could fail completely. The high-risk nature of moonshots means that some of these investments might not succeed, leading to potential losses. This is a small part of our portfolio. By limiting our exposure to moonshots, we manage our risk while still allowing for the possibility of high rewards. We only invest what we can afford to lose. This approach ensures that even if our moonshots don't pan out, our overall portfolio remains strong and resilient. Bitcoin is the king of crypto. It's the most well-known, it's the most valuable, it's a must-have in any crypto portfolio. Ethereum is the platform for decentralized applications. It's the home of DeFi and NFTs. It's a powerful and innovative blockchain. Solana is a newer blockchain. It's fast. It's scalable. It's a serious contender in the crypto space. These three cryptocurrencies form the bedrock of our portfolio. They offer stability, security, and long-term growth potential. Section 5. Riding the growth wave, DeFi, Layer 1s, and AI tokens. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is changing the world of finance. It's about cutting out the middleman. It's about giving people control over their money. Layer 1 blockchains are the foundation of the crypto ecosystem. They provide the infrastructure for decentralized applications and DeFi. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming every industry. AI tokens offer a way to invest in this exciting new technology. These are just a few examples of growth coins. Do your research. Find projects you believe in. Invest wisely. Section 6. Moonshot hunting, high risk, high reward. Moonshots are high-risk investments. They have the potential for massive returns, but they are also more likely to fail. These are often new projects. They may have unproven technology. They are not for the faint of heart. Only invest in moonshots which you can afford to lose. Don't let greed cloud your judgment. Section 7. Tools of the trade, managing your crypto empire. Managing your crypto portfolio can seem daunting, but there are many tools available to help you. Hardware wallets keep your crypto safe and secure. Portfolio trackers allow you to monitor your investments. Trading platforms make it easy to buy and sell crypto. Do your research. Find the tools that work best for you. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Section 8. Patience pays your journey to crypto wisdom. Building a successful crypto portfolio takes time. It takes patience. It takes discipline. Don't get caught up in the hype. Don't panic sell when the market dips. Stick to your plan.